When it comes to keeping your vehicle on the road, Mevotech TTX stands apart with engineered parts designed to outlast and the tools and hardware right in the box to help you get the job done quickly. TTX parts are upgraded to outperform with exclusive technology inside and out. Let's take a look at these parts for the new F-150. Inside, patented greasable bearings excel under the toughest service conditions. Outside, stronger construction like this upper control arm, which is made from a solid forging compared to the original hollow one, or superior boot designs, which perform better by sealing out dirt and water, are just some of the features which makes TTX the enhanced alternative. Mevotech prides themselves on making sure you have everything you need for a complete install: hardware, tools, and easier to use part designs that make your job faster and with less hassle. And when it's time to stop, the new TTX premium brake pads set the standard for when friction meets innovation. Their new brake pads are available in specialized formulas to meet the demands of hard-working vehicles, like an F-150. All TTX brake pads feature upgraded shims for a quiet ride, a heavy-duty anti-corrosion coating, and include everything you need for a complete brake job. So whether you're a professional technician or a weekend DIYer, Mevotech has the parts you need to get the job done right and keep you on the road longer. This tip brought to you by Mevotech, engineered for technicians.